In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean messy accounting data in Excel. If you're working with accounting spreadsheets, one of the most common problems is dealing with data that looks disorganized, inconsistent, or full of empty rows. Cleaning that up makes your file easier to review, sort, and analyze. In this walkthrough, we'll use Excel's built-in tools to quickly turn messy data into something much more usable. Start by opening Excel. Once you're in, enter your sample data into the worksheet. This can be any accounting style dataset you want to clean, such as transaction records, invoices, dates, categories, or amounts. The key here is to make sure your information is laid out in columns with clear header names at the top, because that will help Excel recognize the structure of your data properly. After your sample data is in place, select the entire data set. Be sure to include all the rows and columns you want to clean along with the header row. Selecting the full range is important because the next tool needs to know exactly which data you want to work with. Now, go to the Data tab in Excel. This is where you'll find several powerful options for importing, shaping, and cleaning information. In the Data tab, choose from Table or Range. Excel will use your selected data and prepare it for cleanup in a more structured editor. When the prompt appears, make sure the option labeled My Table Has Headers is checked. This tells Excel that the first row contains your column titles rather than regular data. That step is especially important in accounting files because you usually want fields like date, description, and amount to remain as headers and not be treated like entries. Once that box is checked, click OK. Excel will convert your range into a table-based format and open the data for editing. From here, you can start applying cleanup actions more efficiently than you could in a normal worksheet. Next, click on Home within the editor window. Under the Home options, select Remove Rows. This menu gives you a few different ways to get rid of unnecessary records, and in this case, we're focusing on empty ones that can make the data set harder to read and analyze. Then click Remove Blank Rows. Excel will automatically detect rows that are completely empty and remove them from the data set. This is a simple but very effective cleanup step, especially when accounting exports contain random gaps that interrupt sorting, filtering, or reporting. After that, your data should already look much cleaner and more organized. Even this one adjustment can make a big difference when preparing financial information for review. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.